What if you could hire an employee who works 24 hours a day, never sleeps, never asks for a raise, and can run entire parts of your business automatically? No emails to answer, no reports to generate, no repetitive admin tasks. Your AI employee handles it all. And the best part? You don't need to know how to code. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build an AI employee that runs real business tasks using simple automation tools. We'll cover what an AI employee actually is, the 5 systems that make it work, the tools you can use today, and how businesses are already saving dozens of hours every week. Let's get started. Section 1. What is an AI employee? First, let's define what we mean by AI employee. This is not just ChatGPT answering questions. It's something much more powerful. An AI employee is an automated AI system that completes multi-step tasks on its own. It doesn't just respond, it takes action. For example, imagine this workflow. A new lead fills out a form on your website. Your AI employee instantly analyzes the lead, adds them to your CRM, writes a personalized email, sends the email, schedules a follow-up, logs everything in your system, all automatically, no human involvement. This is called AI agent automation, and it's one of the biggest trends in business right now. Companies are realizing something important. Most work is not creative work. Most work is repetitive workflows, emails, data entry, reports, customer support, scheduling, and AI agents can now handle many of those tasks. Think of it like hiring a digital operations assistant. Once you build the system, it runs continuously. Step number 1, identify the tasks you want to automate. Before building anything, you need to answer one question. What tasks should your AI employee handle? The best candidates are tasks that are repetitive, time-consuming, rule-based, done daily or weekly. Here are some great examples. Lead qualification, customer support responses, email follow-ups, meeting scheduling, data entry, content summarization, report generation. Let's say you spend 2 hours every day answering customer emails. That's 60 hours per month. An AI employee can handle many of those emails instantly. Another example, sales leads. Instead of manually sorting leads, an AI agent can analyze the message, score the lead, send a custom reply, assign it to the correct salesperson, all in seconds. So step 1 is simple. List the top 5 tasks that drain your time. Those will become your first AI employee responsibilities. Step number 2, choose the right AI tools. Now let's talk about the technology. You do not need to build this from scratch. Today, there are no-code automation tools that connect AI to your workflows. Here are 3 categories of tools that make AI employees possible. Category 1, automation platforms. These tools connect apps together. Think of them like digital plumbing. Popular options include Zapier, Make.com, and 8N. They allow you to build workflows like, when a new lead appears, run this AI process. Category 2, AI language models. These are the brains of the system. They analyze text, generate responses, and make decisions. Examples include ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. You can instruct these models to act like employees. For example, when you are a customer support specialist, respond politely and solve the customer's issue. Category 3, business software integrations. Finally, your AI needs to connect to your existing tools like Gmail, Slack, HubSpot, Notion, Google Sheets. When connected, your AI employee can read information and take actions inside those apps. So the stack looks like this. Automation platform plus AI model plus business tools. Together they create a fully automated workflow. Step number 3, create a simple AI workflow. Let's walk through a simple example, an AI employee that handles incoming leads. Here's the process. Step 1, a visitor fills out your website contact form. Step 2, the automation tool detects the new submission. Step 3, the information is sent to an AI model. Step 4. The AI analyzes the message. It determines, is this a sales lead, a support question, or spam? Step 5. The AI writes a personalized reply. For example, "Hi Sarah, thanks for reaching out about our consulting services. I'd love to schedule a quick call to understand your goals." Step 6. The email is automatically sent. Step 7. The lead is added to your CRM. Step 8. A task is created for follow-up. All of this happens in less than 10 seconds, and it runs continuously. Every lead gets an instant response. Your sales team never misses opportunities. That's the power of AI agents. They connect thinking and action. Step number 4, train your AI employee. Just like a human employee, your AI needs instructions. These instructions are called prompts. A good prompt defines 3 things: the role, the task, the rules. For example, you are a professional customer support agent for a software company. Respond politely. Keep replies under 150 words. If the question involves billing, ask the user for their account email. That's the training. The better your instructions, the better your AI employee performs. You can also provide examples, example responses, example email tone, example customer questions. This helps the AI stay consistent. Another powerful technique is knowledge bases. You can give your AI employee company documents like FAQs, product manuals, support articles. Now the AI can answer questions using your company's information. This makes responses more accurate and more useful. Over time, you refine the system. You improve prompts, add rules, adjust workflows, and your AI employee becomes smarter. Step number 5, scale your AI workforce. Once you build your first AI employee, something interesting happens. You realize how many processes can be automated, so you start adding more. For example, AI employee number 1, lead response automation. AI employee number 2, customer support assistant. AI employee number 3, meeting scheduler. AI employee number 4, report generator. AI employee number 5, social media assistant. Each one handles a different function. Together, they form an AI workforce. This is why many startups today run with very small teams. A founder might have only 3 human employees, but dozens of automated AI workflows. The result? Faster operations, lower costs, more scalability. Instead of hiring people immediately, businesses can automate first, then hire only when needed. This doesn't replace human creativity, but it removes low-value, repetitive work, so humans can focus on strategy, growth, and innovation. A simple starter blueprint. If you want to build your first AI employee, here's a simple roadmap. Step 1, pick one repetitive task, just one. Step 2, choose an automation platform like Zapier or Make. Step 3, connect your AI model. Step 4, create a simple workflow. Trigger to AI analysis to action. Step 5, test the system, refine prompts, adjust the workflow. Start small, then expand. Within a few weeks, you can have multiple AI employees running in the background, saving hours every week. The future of AI employees. We are still at the very beginning of this shift. Right now, AI employees can handle text workflows, emails, support, scheduling, research. But the next generation of AI agents will do much more. They will coordinate with other agents, manage entire departments, analyze data, and make recommendations, and operate almost like digital team members. In the future, building a company may look very different. Instead of hiring 10 employees first, founders may deploy 10 AI agents first, then build a human team around them. Businesses that adopt this early will have a huge advantage because automation compounds. The earlier you build it, the more time you save. If you want to stay ahead of the AI automation revolution, this is the place to be. On this channel, we break down AI business tools, automation systems, and real workflows you can build today. So if you enjoyed this video and want more practical AI strategies, make sure to subscribe. And before you go, I have a question for you. If you could build one AI employee for your business today, what task would you automate first? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.